How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you will need to search for the profile you want to report. Once you're on their profile page, tap the three dots on the top right of their profile. Now from this list of options, select Report Profile. Now here you have to provide the reason why do you want to report this profile. Choose the most accurate reason based on your issue. After selecting the reason, follow the prompts and hit Submit. Your report will be sent to Facebook for review. You may also be given the option to block the user, which is a good idea if they are harassing or impersonating you. For serious violations, it helps if multiple people report the same account. Ask friends or family to also report it using the same method. The more reports Facebook receives, the faster they may act. And that's how you can report and request the removal of someone's Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.